Get out the road, bison! What up, Turban Man?
Not much, man.
Hey, man.
Get.
Every day we are alive is a gift. Never take for granted the time we have with loved ones and the memories made through new experiences. Each day is a new opportunity to chase dreams, take chances, and live your life 24/7.